Welcome to ClipsUncut, my dear friends. Today I want to talk about infrared forehead thermometer from a company called Femometer. This is the touchless forehead thermometer for adults and kids, and it's a digital infrared thermometer for home with fever indicator, instant accurate reading. It is, in my opinion, it's never too late to invest in one of these. I hope nobody ever has to use this, but if you don't have the traditional one or the other one, the digital one, which has small batteries where you have to still put it in your mouth or under your arm, this can be a good touchless option. And of course, when I got this way back sometime in I think in Jan of this year, this was going for $19.99, 20 bucks, and now it is for $17.95. And this is an Amazon choice. I'm going to leave the link in the description so we can quickly do an unboxing from that side, and then we can talk about this more about this one. So see you on the other side. So yeah guys, let's do the unboxing. Femometer infrared forehead thermometer, DET306, looks like that's the model number. Non-contact instant reading LCD backlit, and I think these are the three color indicator, whether you're in the safe zone or it's slightly high, or you need to see a doctor or maybe take some precautions or whatever. These are the specifications: display resolution, measure time, operating mode, operating environment is your 10 Celsius to 40 Celsius, between that 50 Fahrenheit to 104 Fahrenheit should be okay between that. Storage, that's your atmospheric pressure, withstands drop up to 3 feet, which is good enough. You don't want to drop it. Weight is 84 grams with the batteries, and the batteries are, it uses 2 AAA batteries, which is a good thing. The battery life should run around for 1 year or 6,000 readings, again, which is sufficient, I guess. And expected service life is 3 years, and it's got an IP22 rating. And what else? Okay, so it comes with of course the thermometer, with one user manual, quick start manual, warranty card, and a 2 AAA battery to start up with. And how to use: press the power button, start, read the temperature, and press the power to turn it off. It is that simple. So where's my knife? Okay. All right. All right. That's your quick start manual, user manual, your certificate of whatever other literature. These are the two batteries that it comes with. We'll see how that works. And this is your device. I can't even read that. That's the model number, which is DET306, and that's too much to read, but we will simply fire this up and see if it works. Boom. So it did its own thing. We're going to do it was instant, and it is 98.1 Fahrenheit. Okay. This was quick and easy. And then that's how you turn it off. Did you see that? This was nice, to the point, and quick. This was quick, fast. Let's do it again. Power button, start button, and I don't know which button. I like the colored animation. Okay, let's go. 98.2. Yep, perfect. See you on the other side. So yeah, friends, as you saw, this was super easy to operate, and this was super fast to even use and get the reading out. Just 2-3 clicks, and then you know your temperature. And I will leave the link in the description. And this is a very good a budget option for your basic need, which is to get your temperature. So if you guys liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment section. I will leave the link in the description, and I will see you in the next one. Peace out. Bye.